All right, guys, let's see what we got in question set 26. So this is question set 26. We are still doing the part of question set 16 and working on exam mark database. So this is the question set 26. So let's see what we got in question set 26. So we have to find sum of the marks. So you know what this sum means, SUM. So now we have to find the sum of the marks obtained by Amanda Moses in the all subject of the first term. So we have Amanda Moses. That is there's two condition: first name and last name, student first name and last name, and also we have exact term name, that is first term. And now we need to find the all subject sum. So find the sum of the marks obtained by Amanda Moses in the all subject of the first term. So right, let's go to our SQL and see what we got. So this is my previous query. I will delete that. And now we need to, now I need to check my camera, my microphone and my recording. My recording is okay. So now let's do that. So I am using SUM keyword to add all marks. So right now we are using some keyword. So using some keyword, we can extract all the marks of Amanda Moses in first term. All right. Now I'm using some keyword. Now I want to get marks using student exam mark record dot mark, and I'm renaming my column as Amanda's first term marks. So Amanda like that, and I need to get that from the student exam mark record table, and I need to join a student table and exam term table using inner join. So all right, where now I need to get the exam term name. So I need to use where clause. So where exam term table, and now I need to get the term name, and next name is first term, and we have another two conditions, that is student first name and last name. So and student first name, it is equal to Amanda, and last name equal to Moses. Okay, and use semicolon at the end of the query. And now let's see what is the sum of Amanda Moses first term marks. Executing that, we can have 265 sum marks. Sum of the marks is okay, 265. So this is the query we write, and this is the answer. We can get that from above query. Question is find the sum of the marks obtained by Amanda Moses in the all subject of the first term. All right, we successfully did that. I think you can understand this. So now we are coming to second one. So we have to find the sum of the mark obtained by Nissansala Vikramanayaka and the student studying in class 11B. Yeah, we have specified class. So this is student studying in 11B. So we need to highlight that because that's a condition, and also we have first name as a condition and second name as a condition, and all we need to find the all subject in second term. So we have a specified term here. Yeah. Now we have four conditions. Also we can use this query to customize that. So we have exact term, so that is second term, and first name is Sansala, second name last name is Vikramanayaka, and we have a class name, so we need to join the class table also. So we need to join class table. So class and class table. We have class table foreign key in student table. So student table, and you can get class ID, and it equals to class table primary key. Class ID. All right. Now I join the class table also. Now I can get class name using AND operation, and class need to get class name and equals to 11b. All right. Now I already did that query, so we need to rename the column as Nissan's second term. Okay. Second term marks. All right. Now I rename the column and get the specify second term, specify term name and class name, first name and last name. All right. We already successfully get that 4 conditions, and now we can get the sum of marks. All right. I need to get the sum of all second marks, all second term marks. All right. Now you can see these second term marks is 248.56. So this is the sum of marks obtained by Nisansala Vikronayaka, and a student is studying in class 11B for all subject in the second term. So using some keyword, we can abstract every single subject marks in one term, or we can also get the first term and second term marks together using this sum keyword. Now we get all subject sum marks obtained by Nisansala Vikronayaka. All right, now this is the query I write, and this is the answer. I get that above query. Okay, now we are going to third question. So find the sum of the marks obtained by the Sachitra Vikramasinghe, that student index number is STU003. We have that in mathematics and science in the first term. So now we have to get student index number. So this is the condition. This is one condition. And also we have student first name and student last name. And also we have 2 more subject to find. So that is mathematics and science. And we have specify term name. Term name is first term. So how many conditions we have? If we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 5. We have 5 conditions. So we can get mathematics and science, all those subjects using in keyword. I will show you that. And now I need to get the sum of the mark obtained by Sachitra Vikramasinghe. So let's go to do that. And I can customize this thing also. So I also connect the class table. Now I need to connect the subject table also. So I use that inner join to get that. And coming to next line, we are doing that subject and student exam mark record, and primary key subject ID, and it equals to subject and subject ID. Now I connect those tables. Now I can get my exact term name is first term, and class name. We don't have any class name, so I don't need it. I don't need to connect the class table for that also. And first name is Sachitra, and second name is Vikramasinghe. Now student, we have a student index number, so we can get the student index number using AND operation, and student index number STU003. And now we have to get specify subject. So we have 2 more subjects, and I will get that from and I'm using AND operation to get that. So subject, I can get them from subject table. Subject name in mathematics and science. So I'm using in keyword and use double quotes and comma and double quotes and close bracket. Now math and science. But I think my query is okay. No spelling mistakes here. So let's execute that and see we can get the result from this query. So yeah, we can get the result from this query. So sum of the mark obtained by Sachitra. Yeah, I need to customize the column name. First term execute the query. Okay, now sum of the marks Sachitra Vikramasinghe obtained in the first term for mathematics and science subject is 101.74. So this is the sum of the mark. All right, this is the query and this is the answer I get from above query. All right, guys, we are coming to last question of this question set 26. So find the sum of the mark obtained by all the students of class 11B in the subject of mathematics in the second term examination. All right, now we have conditions here. So we need to get all the student details, highlight that, and specify class name here 11B and subject mathematics, and we have exact examination term name. So exam term is second term. All right, now we can get that from using some keyword. Now I need to customize my column name first. All the student second term marks. I will rename like that. All the student second term marks. Now I can get those details from student exam mark record table. So I need to inner join student table. I did that, and I also join exam term table to student exam mark record table, and also we need to join subject table, and also we have specified class name, so we need to join the class name class table using inner join. So inner join class and on the student dot class id equals to class name class id. That's primary key of that that table. So all right, join all tables. Now we can get the condition. So we have a second term. We want to get second term marks. So second term is the exact term name, and now we don't have any first name and last name of the student. Now I can delete those things, and we want to get exact last name. So and class name and subject is mathematics. We don't have two subjects. We have only one subject to find the now my query is okay. At the end of query, I'm using semicolon to end the query. So now we can execute that and see our result. So we have 301.06 for all the students second term marks. All right. Now we successfully did all 4 questions in question set 26. So now we have another 4 question set to do, and when we finish all of that, we are going to new question at the question set 31. All right, guys. Now I will wind up my video. So I think you can successfully understand about this sum keyword, about find details using this sum keyword and SUM. You can see that we can abstract all the result we want to get using this sum keyword. All right, guys. I will catch you guys in my next video. So hope you guys get some knowledge from that video. Take it easy.